Good afternoon to everyone. I am representing Team Avengers. Today I am here to pronounce few words. The first word is cut. C-U-T. This is pronounced as cut. And second word is B-U-T. But. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. S-T-A-R. Star. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am representative Avengers team. I tell about the pronunciation. T-A-B-L-E, table. P-O-O-R, war. A-W-A-R-E, away. C-H-A-I-R, child. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure.
Good afternoon, friends. I am Mech representing the Team Avengers. Today I stood here to do an activity about the pronunciation of words. The first word is F-E-A-R, fear. H-E-A-R, here. A-W-A-Y, away. B-E-A-T-Y, beauty. F-E-A-R, fear. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Siddharth and I am representing Team Avengers. Today I am here to perform a few words. D-O-U-G-H-T, doubt. S-U-R-E, sure. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. S-O-U-N-D, sound.
Good afternoon, one and all. Here I am represented from the Team Avengers. Here I am for doing an activity on sounds. The sounds just G-S-T, just is pronounced as just. Pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure. T-O-Y, toy. B-O-Y, boy. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I'm from Avengers team. Today I want to pronounce some words from sound patterns. My first word is F-O-O-D, is pronounced as food. F-A-T-H-E-R is pronounced as father. W-O-M-E-N is pronounced as women. E-A-R-N is pronounced as earn. C-A-R-T is pronounced as cut. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Afradu. I representing our team Ganesh Avengers. Today I would like to pronounce few words. C-H-E as pronounced as C. C-O-T as pronounced as cot. N-O-T as pronounced as not. T-O-U-G-H tough as pronounced as tough. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I represent the Team Avengers. My name is Modi. I pronounce a few words. U-P, up. A-R-T, art. E-I-G-H-T, eight. C-U-T, cut. C-A-T, cat. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. Myself is Sai Kumar. I am going to produce some few words. P-E-S-T, best. T-A-G-H-T, tight. J-U-S-T, just. E-I-G-H-T, eight. N-I-N-E, nine. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends.
I wanted your energy. Come on, speak properly.
Good. G-O-O-D, good. This would be pronounced as good. Do. This would be pronounced as do. 8. D-I-G-S-T. 8. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I am T. Harshvardhan, representing Team Avengers Exercise. Today I am
Here to perform an activity on sound patterns.
Sound patterns. URG is pronounced as ugh. VUR and burnt is pronounced as burnt. PARL is pronounced as burnt. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Honorable. My name is Ramanand. Today we would like to produce some sound pattern. First one is Z, Go, Go, Ju. Second one is JUST, just. Third one is SLEP, sleep. Fourth one is SHC, unplug. Fifth one is WEV. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
You pronounce well, but
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Raviraj. I'm here to do the activity on sound patterns. First one is SLEP is pronounced as sleep. JUST is pronounced as just. GOT is pronounced as got. SLEP is pronounced as sleep. EAT is pronounced as eat.
Good morning, one and all. This is Dheeraj. I am here to pronounce some sound patterns. RUPTURE is pronounced as rupture. AST is pronounced as eight. FARST is pronounced as first. MIT is pronounced as mine. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. And today I would like to here to practice with sounds. CAR has to be pronounced as car. JOIN has pronounced as join. LETTR has been pronounced as letter. WATER water as WATER pronounced as water. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is P. Rajesh from Avengers Exercise. Today I perform an activity about sound patterns. BAT, bat, TAMPR, damper, PAMPR, bamper, JUST, just, PAPR, bamper. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am the representative of CG Success. I would like to speak about few words. SCA, C, ALLOW, allow, AB, OUT, about, GO, body, good, ARCH, arch. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Akila and I am from Avengers Exercise. Today I would like to pronounce a few words. ANKLE can be pronounced as ankle. AWSOME can be pronounced as awesome. AWARE can be pronounced as aware. PEARL can be pronounced as per. ERADSCAT can be pronounced as eradicate. Thank you.
Hi friends, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Kalyan. I am from Fast and Furious team. I am here to pronounce a few words. ASK, ask, on, FIT, fight, SCEN, seen, EAGHT, I. Thank you.
8.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Arjay. I am representative Fast and Furious. SING, sing, GOO, chew, NINE, 9.
SMILE, smile. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am representing the team Fast and Furious. I am here to do an activity on sound patterns. The word WATCH has to be pronounced as watch. The word WATER has to be pronounced as water. The word DESARE has to be pronounced as desire. The word WASTE has to be pronounced as waste. The word CATCH has to be pronounced as catch. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends, my name is Mahesh. I am representing Team Fast and Furious. Now I am doing activity on sound pattern. First, CAT pronounced as cat, BOST pronounced as boost, POR, pour, PUT, put. Thank you.
Good evening friends, I am here to perform an activity on sounds. PUPPY, puppy. Woman, FUMAN. Eager, EAGER, eager. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Ryan Philip. I am representing Fast and Furious team. EITHT can be pronounced as I. SE E and OYE is pronounced as OI. And DREW is pronounced as row. UNTER is pronounced under. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends, this is Ramni.
Please put the microphone closer to your mouth.
Good afternoon friends, this is Ramni. I represent as a team Fast and Furious. Today I would
Carry on. Then I asked you to put and you're not. Come on.
Today I would activity on sound patterns. The first word is food, FOOD, is pronounced as food. And second word is cut, CUT, pronounced as cut. And EARN is pronounced as N. And fourth word is turn, TURN is pronounced as turn. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends. My name is Dashma. I represent the team Fast and Furious. My topic sound patterns. First pronunciation is CAR, car. Second pronunciation is bus. Third pronunciation is EIGHT. Fourth pronunciation CSEEC. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Santosh. I am represented as a team member of Incredibles, and today I would like to perform an activity on sound patterns. The word JOURNEY is pronounced as journey. The word ADVENTURE is pronounced as adventure. The word ACADEMIC is pronounced as academic. The word VULTURE is pronounced as vulture. And the word VENUE is pronounced as venue. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Likit Kumar. I am representing the team Incredibles. Today I am here to explain the sound patterns. The first word is conference, CONFERENCE, conference. And the second word is CAMERA, camera. The third word is CHAIR, chair. The fourth word is table, TABLE. And the fifth word is projector, PROJECTOR. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends. I am from the Incredibles team. I want to pronounce some words. EIGHT, egg. PUD, put. POR, pour. NINE, nine. Thank you.
everyone. I am representing the team The Incredibles. I am performing here activity on sound patterns. The first word is Puppy, puppy. The next word is KEP, keep. Next word is AWAY, away. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, I am Satish Sharma, representing The Incredibles. Now, I am here to perform activity on sound patterns. ESCAP has to be pronounced as SK, SWING as swing, DESTINV as destiny, ENCOURAGE as encourage, ABOUT as about. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. This is Neha. I am representing the team. From the Incredibles. Today I will here to perform sound patterns. First, LABO lab, LAUGHTER laughter, FABLE feather, ALLOWLO, JUST just.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself is Swati. I represent the team The Incredibles. PALL ball, CA RIDA river, DOT down, MO and K. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ryanam Raju. I represent the team is Indicus CUT cut jet over jute PUT put KING kick. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, I am Jansi. I represented from the team Mighty Warriors. First word is BOUNCE. The pronunciation is bounce. GENERE. The pronunciation is general. TREASURE. The pronunciation is treasurer. THONG. The pronunciation is thong. PEARL. The pronunciation is pearl. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all who presented here. This is Patricia. I am representing Mighty Warriors. Today I am going to perform an activity on sound patterns. My first word is MEASURE, measure, PEARL, pearl, CUT, cut, ABOUT, about, PLESURE, pleasure. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Uday from Mighty Warriors team, and I am here to present some sound patterns. The first one is JAPANESC, Japanese, ESSE and DIAL, essential, NINE, 9, MAN, man, SIX, 6. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. This is Vasu. I would like to tell about the sound patterns. HOUSE, house, ASK, ask, CHAIR, chair, PLESURE, pleasure, CAN, cat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. This is SP Dhanujaraw. I'm going to representing the team Mighty Warriors. I'm going to perform some activity on sound patterns. The first word is mechanical. MECHANICALLY, mechanically. Generation. GENERATION, generation. Mental. MENTAL, mental. GOOD, good. BUT, but. NEITHER, neither. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. This is Krishna from Mighty Warriors. My first word is Jew. Jew. Second word is Jum. Joom. Jum. Third word is put. 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 Fourth word is smile. 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 Fifth word is challenge. 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 Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Sirgur Pathsarthi. I am from representing Mighty Warriors. Today I will perform the activity the sound patterns. The first word is SET, set. Second word is GOD, good. Third word is ask, ASK, ask. And fourth word is CHAIR, chair. And fifth word is PLESURE, pleasure. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Sitaram. I'm representing Mighty Warriors. I'm ready to perform few sounds. NINE, 9. JUST, just. CHAIR, chair. TABLE, table. CN, can. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am represented as Mighty Warriors, myself as Jadis. I would like to tell about my sound pronunciation. ASK, ask. NINE, 9. JUST, just. Now NOW, now. SOO, so. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Syed Yusuf. I am representing my team Mighty Warriors. Now I am performing on sound patterns. First word is SMILE, smile. Second word is ENGLISH, English. Third one is love, LOVE, love. Fourth word is about, ABOUT, about. Fifth word is good, GOOD.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kirti. I'm here to perform an activity on sound patterns. WONDER, wonder. BEAUTY, beauty. WORK, work. FLOWER, flower. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I'm Teja and I'm representing the team Fantastic Five, and I'm here to perform an activity on sound patterns. PERMIT has to be pronounced as permit. PROCEDURE has to be pronounced as procedure. JUSTICE has to be pronounced as justice. HONOUR has to be pronounced as honor. SURPRISE has to be pronounced as surprise. Thank you.